Okay, we're going to repair this Mouat 35 thermostatic trap. It's blowing steam through, and I'll set this right here. You can see the trap hopefully. And what we're going to do is use an electric impact wrench to get the lid off of it. And here's the thermostatic wafer and the peg. They go down into the hole. And see, there's the hole. But look at that, all that rust next to it. Bunch of schmutz down in there. We want to clean that out. So, we'll raid the toilet paper over here. Reach in there. Oh, big chunks of rust. Get that out of there. Grab our new Barnes & Jones kit. Stick it in there. A new lid. So you have to have a new lid because it has to be able to hold that spring. And I may need two hands for this. Oh, I got it. Oh, thought I did. You got to push down against that spring and catch a thread. Let me put this down so I can use two hands. There we go. Some of these lids have gaskets, some don't. And you just gotta get the right socket. About that. Same one as the old one. That's a rarity. There you go. Trap's repaired. That didn't take long. 2 minutes, 25 seconds or something. And amazing how people neglect that. Of course, this is an easy radiator to get at. Some are a nightmare to get at. But it does need to be done periodically.